Okay, so continuation. A liquid octane fuel is burned with ideal proportion of air. You calculate the actual air-fuel ratio by weight if it uses 20% excess air by weight. So dito, kung hindi mo kabisado yung pinaikli kong formula, kailangan mag-stoichiometric analysis. Okay? And then, another dilemma here is if you don't know the chemical formula for your fuel na ginamit dito. In this case, octane. Ano ba yung octane? Eh, paano ba ma-determine yan? So, ito yung formula niya. CnHm. Ang problema mo, how will you determine yung M? M is equal to 2n plus 2. Okay? Octane, from the word itself, di ba? Octa. Diba? Octa, that is 8. So, therefore, meron ka ng notion na this is C8H2 8 plus 2. So, finally, ang kanyang chemical formula for liquid octane is C8H16 plus 2 is 18. Yan, meron ka ng liquid fuel. Pero, ang problema mo dito, hindi mo naman alam yung formula para sa air-fuel ratio theoretical. But, if you are watching dun sa mga tinuro kong videos, matatandaan mo yan. Kasi I have derived and then I have served yung pinakamaikling formula that is possible for you to use. Now, since actual fuel ratio ang kinukuha dito, gawin na lang natin ganito. So, actual is equal to air-fuel ratio theoretical. And then, i-multiply mo dun sa 1 plus the excess percentage na binigay sa'yo. Kaya ang problema nga, hindi mo kabisado. Okay? So, I will remind you of this formula. So, hindi ka nadadaan pa sa stoichiometric analysis, diretso ka na dito. Okay? So, remember, this is 32 plus 28. And then yung 28 na yan, multiply mo agad ng 3.76. Divide by 12, the number of carbon na meron ka, plus M, or the number of hydrogen na meron ka. And then multiply to X, where X is, okay, ang X na yan, makukuha mo yan by using this formula. So, N plus yung M divide by 4. Remember this, okay? And then, i-multiply mo ng 1 plus yung excess. Okay? So, let us solve. So, actual air-fuel ratio is equal to 32 plus 28 multiplied to 3.76 divide by 12. Yung N mo is 8 plus 18. Baka nagkakamali. Tapos, i-multiply natin with X. That is 8 plus 18 divided by 4. Okay? Tapos, ang excess mo dyan is 20%. So, plus 0.20. Now, you have yung actual air-fuel ratio. Diba, napaka-basic lang ng mga tanungan pagdating ng combustion. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko nung ako'y college. So, 32 plus 28 multiplied to 3.76 divide by 12 times 8 added to 18. And then, kuha ka ulit dyan ng bracket. So, 8 plus 18 divided by 4. Multiply mo ng 1.2 kasi added na lang yan. So, the actual air-fuel ratio is 18.0632. Okay, kilogram air per kilogram fuel. Actual to. Okay? So, that is for liquid octane.